eyes on the vehicle, I believe. I just have to go to the turn around to turn back around on
it. Slug all units, 1033 for Foxtrot 222 in the area of US 1 and Otis Stone. All their units switch to LE3. Go ahead.
I need the next unit to me. And we're going to need FD to the northbound lanes of US 1. The PT Cruiser is pretty beat up on the side.
10-4, we do have injuries in that vehicle. FD is responding.
Are they life threatening? Do I need to turn around?
Chest pain and leg pain is all I can advise.
Copy.
Dispatch has been booked.
222, what's the status on the suspect's vehicle?
Behind it now. We are northbound, just slow rolling.
Dispatch has been updated.
Maybe a mile an hour. Probably half a mile south of Whiteview.
Dispatch has been updated.
I see Bunnell 21 is coming up behind me. I can use them, and then if it's approved, 221 can get sticks at Whiteview. He's got plenty of time to get there.
Foxtrot 64, Foxtrot 222, I'm at Whiteview and Belpaire, headed that way.
10-4. Just gonna need at least one or two with me in case this guy stops. He's already fought with another deputy.
Foxtrot 221, male in Whiteview.
Dispatch has been updated.
Just so y'all are aware, he did make no statements of risk. He just was running up and down the road trying to get in traffic. Additionally, he physically pushed and kicked his father out of the driver's seat from the passenger seat and jumped in the passenger seat and took off. It is his vehicle, though.
Do you have charges?
Dispatch has been updated.
Fleeing?
Foxtrot 210 of Bunnell, do you have criminal charges?
Yeah, we can do DV back.
Copy, go ahead and do a high-risk stop, 222. And then please, stop sticks are approved.
10-4. I need him to stop. Can you guys shut that other lane down?
Dispatch has been updated.
Foxtrot 222 to 210.
High priority alert.
Good.
We've been rolling at like a mile an hour from just a touch north of Otis Stone.
I copy, Foxtrot 210, fireman 1097.
Dispatch has
Copy.
been updated. Dispatch has been
You need to stop your vehicle.
Stop sticks are out.
Dispatch has been updated.
your car out of the way.
Dispatch has been updated.
Sticks are tangled in his front tire.
Alright. Flagler still northbound. Rolling through Whiteview now. Still at about a mile an hour. Give him more space.
Dispatch has been updated.
I need the units behind the car to give it more space. We can get our units in the next intersection. Clear the intersection. Foxtrot 210 Flagler. Go ahead. Vehicles, front driver's side tires deflating. We're rolling 1 mile an hour. Vehicles not talking. Copy on. Are they north of Whiteview now? Yes, we're north of Whiteview. Maybe a quarter mile south of Enterprise. Still in the northbound lane. But now, can you give it a lot more space and keep the traffic that's backed up away from the first couple units? 10-4. 23 back up. Looks like he's gonna try and go back south. Foxtrot 221, if you can get back to this intersection, or never mind, we're just gonna do another circle. Flagler, we went southbound, and we're gonna go back northbound, it appears. Foxtrot 210 Flagler. But notify FHP and see if they can respond to assist with a pit. The vehicle's doing circles now through the intersections.
I'll have six at Vertigo southbound lane, just in case.
I need you off the radio if you're not directly behind the car. You need to give him more space than what you have right now.
Step out of the vehicle. Put your hands up. Step out of the vehicle. Put your hands up.
You got me?
Yep, you're good.
Kyle, this is Officer Corey with the Bunnell Police Department. Kyle, we're here to help you. You need to step out of the vehicle with your hands up.
Well, so much for staying dry. You know, Mickey Mouse slide when he said it was fun inside. I gotta take these glasses off.
Everybody think they're going to shot it on and drive with one way?
I could.
I
could.
Here, can you get this sticker? I can't see out of these.
I got a set in my driver door.
I got
a set in my driver door.
I was gonna say, I got one in my passenger door.
I got it right here.
I can probably throw it. Here, I'm coming up with you.
Kyle, you need to step out of the vehicle with your hands up.
Throw it right over.
Here, I got another one right here.
And I got 2 more on my door too.
Sure, right here.
His hands are back on the wheel.
Okay. Get some more shatter balls. Let's get that window.
Let me see your hands through the driver's window. Let me see your hands. This is Brian with the sheriff's office. I'm trying to call you on your cell phone. Answer your cell phone. This is Brian with the Flagler County Sheriff's Office. Listen to me. Answer the phone that I just called you. I'm calling you from my phone right now.
If you want, there's some in my passenger door. I can go up with you and get them. Or okay.
Swing your hands on the steering wheel. Wave at me if you hear my phone call.
You got them.
Yeah, I'll go over the shield.
All right. We'll cover you. I don't think you can see it, but just we come up from the yeah.
Between the cars and the car.
He's got no visual. He's moving. He's moving. He's moving.
We're trying to get your attention. Answer my phone call. Or come out with your hands up where we can see your hands free and clear and obey our commands. We're trying to get your attention. We were tapping on your window. I'm calling again. Answer the phone, please.
Go shift towards this passenger on the minute.
Okay.
Can you hear me now?
Dispatch has been updated.
Kyle, this is the Flagler County Sheriff's Office. I need you to open the door with both your hands where we can see them free and clear and obey all our commands. I know the window's open now, you can hear me. I'm trying to call you on the phone. What is it? Okay. Put your car in gear and turn it off for me. Thanks, buddy. Just put it in gear, turn it off. Okay? I need to keep seeing your hands. Let me see your hands, buddy.
Dispatch has been
All right, now
updated.
open the driver's side door. Open your door, please. Now let me see both your hands, and I want you to listen. There's going to be some commands. Obey the
Dispatch has
commands
been
that you
updated.
hear. So come out, have your back facing us, but let us see your hands in the air so we know that they're free, okay? I need to know your hands are clear.
Control 225 Flagler, just reinforcing. I'll be rerouting traffic to the enterprise north of the south.
Stop. Put your hands in the air, buddy. Hands, please. Alright, now I want you to walk back a few steps, and I'm going to
Dispatch
give you
has
some
been
simple
updated.
commands, okay? I want you to listen closely. Come on back. Take a few more steps backward. Keep going. Keep going. You're doing a good job. You're doing a good job. Good job. Now, Kyle, I want you to listen to me. Put your hands back in the air.
Dispatch has been updated.
Towards my car. You hear my car? Walk backwards towards my car. Yep, it's just right here. I'm right here. Put your hands in the air and just walk back. But I want you facing me. I want you backwards, face your car. Turn around and come to me. Just come this way. Somebody. Just come this way. You're good to go. You're following my commands. You're doing a great job. There you go. Come on. Come on. Good job. Put your hands up where we can see it, please. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Keep going, Kyle. Keep going. You're doing a great job. Thank you for doing this. All right. Stop right there. Turn around.
Get on the ground.
On the ground.
Good.
Put your arms out. Deputy Drew, you have hands? Let's go.
Stop, you guys go to the car.
Yep.
Go, go. Go behind him, go to the car.
Stand on your back.
Flagler Sheriff's Office, make yourself known. Put your hands up.
I got the trunk. I got the trunk. Trunk's clear.
Get his hands. Put your hands on your back.
Flagler Sheriff's Office, make yourself known.
Kyle, is there anybody else in the car with you? Anybody else in the car with you?
Anybody else in the car with you?
We're going to stand you up, okay?
Roll to your side.
Alright.
There you go.
Alright, up with us, Kyle. Up with
Stand
us.
up.
Ready? Walk this way. Walk this way. Good job, Kyle. You got any weapons on you, bud?
No, sir.
Okay. We're going to come in this car back here. Okay. Alright, just lean up against that car right there for me, okay? Put your chest on the car for me. Alright.
You don't have anything on you?
No, sir.
Alright, Kyle, my name's Rick. What you got going on today? Don't stick your hands in front of me.
I found one of the shatter balls.
Yeah, there's like 6 of them somewhere.
I found one. Need that?